Welcome to this session. Student, we have to start. Today is a new chapter. Animal classification. What is classification? What is the classification? Classification means separate. See, we have to see the classification of animals. Student, you already learned in 9th standard diversity in animals. There is also plant classification is there and animal classification. Here in 10th standard we are learning the animal classification. Is it need to the classification? Yes, it is need to the classification. We have to see the different animals is there, organisms is there. See, they have a specific name, a unique name is required. For example, a different animals is there, different language for we are calling the different name. For example, cat. Cat is a English name. Now we have to see the another name for another language. See, for example, we have to see the Telugu in Pilli, in Marathi, Manjar. See, this like we are calling. Next we have to see the another tree for, see another a tree, neem tree is there. Neem tree for, see it is a Telugu for calling the Vepachuttu and Marathi for calling the Limbacha Jhad. See this like different names is there. Different language has a different name. Okay, we have to keep a specific name. See for example, Azadirachta indica. It is a scientific name of neem tree. Next we have to see the another Mangifera indica, mango. See next Padus leo. It is a another name Panthera tigris, Panthera leo lion, Panthera tigris tiger, Panthera pardus. It is a cheetah. Different names is there. See, we have to learn in this lesson. See, classification means separation, separate to them. Okay, classification. Next, what said to study them more clearly? We have to study them more clearly. More clearly. See, we have to study the more clearly this animal classification to save our time. We have to save our time. Save our time. Our time. Okay. Next, we have to see the most of the lower organisms. Which one? Most of the lower organisms. Most of the lower organisms. See, example is a amoeba. Amoeba is a most of the lower organisms. See, simplest form. Okay, criteria for classification. See, what criteria we should use for classification of animals. Classification of animals. We have to learn here classification of animals. Criteria for classification. For classification. See, we have to classify the this is a required the which criteria is a using. Okay, first one. What said which criteria is a using you? See, number of germ layers. See, we have to see the first one. Number of germ layers. See, what is the number of germ layers? For example, we have to see the See, this is a egg cell. This is a egg cell, and this is a sperm cell. We have to see that this is a egg cell, egg and sperm. See, fusion together. See, and here form the what is zygote will be formed. See, it is a form the zygote. Okay, zygote. It will form the zygote. The zygote is a dividing. Again, this zygote is a dividing. See, zygote. We have to write here name also. Zygote. Zygote in diploid nature. Diploid in nature. Diploid in nature. What will happen? The zygote will be dividing. See, number of cells is a divide. See, this like we have to see the this is zygote and number of cells is a dividing inside this line. Number of cells is a dividing in a zygote. Okay, this line. Number of cells is a dividing. See, we are calling the multicellular organisms. This one is a multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms. Okay, see this line form. Now we have to go the see this one. See, converting into the layers is the layers. Okay, we have to see the see this one layer is there, and we have to draw the this one layer. We have to draw the this layer. Okay, 3 layers is there. 3 layers. First one is a ectoderm. 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 Second one is a mesoderm. Mesoderm. And it is a endoderm. See, this like 3 layers is there. If you cut the cell, it is from the 3 layers. See, we have to see the ectoderm. See, outermost layer we are calling the ectoderm. See, it is a mesoderm. It is a internal layers, and endoderm is a inner side is there. See, for example, here ectoderm there is only we have to see the external system. Like we have to see the ectoderm is a our skin. Our skin is a ectoderm. See, for example, we have to write our skin. It is a ectoderm. What is the endoderm? It is a blood cells, heart cells. See, this is a blood and heart. See, this line is there. For example, 2 derms is a present. In our body, it is a 2 derms is a present. We are calling the diploblastic. What do we call it? Diploblastic. See this one, diploblastic. See, diploblastic. For example, this 3 also is there. We are calling triploblastic in our cells. Okay, this like about the number of germs layer. Here is there 3 layers. See, now we have to see the once again number of germs layer. See, egg, ovum and sperm is a fusion together. It will form the zygote. Zygote is a diploid in nature. So it is a next we have to see the zygote is a divide and number of cells is a dividing, and we have to see the here ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. See, ectoderm presents on the it is a skin external parts. Okay, mesoderm is a blood and heart. So it is a endoderms also is there. Next we have to see this one completed. See, criteria for classification. Next, what's it? Animal body plan. What's it? Animal body plan. Second one, animal body plan. So it is a plan is there. See, what is the animal body plan? See, we have to see unicellular, multicellular organisms is there. Unicellular means only one cell is there. Multicellular means number of cells is present. See, this animal divided into again three plane. It is a three types. Okay. See, first one is a what's it? Cell aggregation body plane. What's it? Cell aggregation body plane. See, cell aggregation body plane. Next one, second one, what's it? Body blind sac body plane. Blind sac body plane. Blind sac body plane. Body plane. Next, third one is a tube within tube body plane. Tube within tube body plane. Okay. So it is a animal body plane is a dividing into three. One is a what said? Cell aggregation body plane, blind sac body plane. Next, see, accumulation of cells, but tissues are not formed. Here what said? Accumulation of cells. Cells is there. Accumulation of cells, but tissues are not formed. Okay, here accumulation of cells is there, but tissue is not formed. No organ, no nervous system. So it is a no organs is there. There is no organ. No organ and nervous system. See, cell aggregation body plane. Only cells is there. Accumulation of cells is there, but tissues are not formed. There is not forming the tissues. If tissues is forming, what will happen? The systems will be forming. But here what said? No organs and or nervous system also. For example, we have to see the cycon. See, best example is a cycon. Cycon. It is a best example. We have to cycon. It is belongs to porifera. See, we will learn details about the cycon. Next, we have to see the body sac, blind sac, body plane. Blind sac, body plane. What is blind sac body plane? See here, little complex digestive system is there. See what said here? Little complex. digestive system. Little complex digestive system is there. Incomplete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system also present in this blind shark body planes. For example, see what say incomplete digestive system. For example, we have to see the hydra. See here, hydra is there. This hydra is there. The hydra has a tentacles. See, this mouth is there. Mouth is there. See this one. Okay, this one, tentacles. What will happen? This hydra is getting the food substances. See, getting the food substances in through mouth. Food substances. Food. Ingestion. Next, the food substances is removing the waste material. Ingestion. So it is a removing. So it is a waste material passing through the mouth only. But we have to see the in our human body. So many animals, we have a specific digestive system. Okay, see this like digestive system is there, and here digestive system, and we have a anus like. See this like. See, anus like is there, but we are getting the food substances, food here. Okay, entering food substances through our mouth too, and it is a excrete. It is a removing of the waste material through our anus. So it is a entering and opening. So it will be remove the waste material through our anus. See this line. But here is a incomplete digestive system is there. They are getting the nutrition rich. Water is flowing here and removing the waste material along with the mouth only. See, intake and output. Input, output. We have to write the input and output. But here what will happen? Input through our mouth and output also through our mouth. That's why we are calling the incomplete digestive system. Tube within tube, body plane. Tube within tube, body planes. Means well developed systems is there. What's it? Well advanced and complete digestive system, and see here is a complete digestive system is there. Example, human being. But see, ingestion and egestion. Ingestion, taking food. Ingestion and egestion. Egestion and ingestion means it is a in and out. So taking food inside and removing the waste material outside. See, this is about the animal body plane. Have you understood? Cell aggregation body plane, blind sac body plane, tube within tube body plane. See, accumulation of cell, but tissues are not formed. See, no organs, no nervous system. Here is the cycle. It is belong to Porifera. Next, blind sac body plane, little complex and complete. See, it is a little complex. The digestive cavity incomplete. So we have to write the incomplete this one. Okay, incomplete Next, tube within tube body plane. So it is a best example is a human being. Next we have to see the another. Okay. See, again we have to learn the body segmentation. We have to see the in some organisms, especially Annelida. Okay. Annelida is a separate is their organs, male and female. No, Annelida has a male and female organ system present in only one organisms. See this like segmentation is there. See Annelida. Okay. See we are calling the body segmentation. See so many Annelida groups is a earthworm is a best example. Earthworm is the best example for Annelida. We are calling segmentation is present on the Annelida. Next we have to learn the body symmetry. Body symmetry. What is symmetry? See, if you cut, if you cut, it will be converted, it will be from the two halves. We are calling the symmetry. We are calling the symmetry. And symmetry is a again dividing. It is a symmetry. Body symmetry. What say? How many types of body symmetry is present? See, body symmetry is a pentametric symmetry. What is pentametric symmetry? Pentametric symmetry. Symmetry. If you draw the structure of the starfish, okay, structure of the starfish. See, if we cut the any plane, if we cutting this line, we have to cut this line, we have to cut this line, we have to cut this line, this plane. Okay, see, we have to cut this plane. It will be symmetry is a occurring. Symmetry is a occurring. See, pentametric symmetry. We are calling the pentametric symmetry. Next, asymmetry. What is the asymmetry? See. Next one is a asymmetry. What is asymmetry? We have to see the asymmetry in, okay, asymmetry. See, this is a phyla is there. What are you calling? Snail. If you any example is a snail. If you cut the any direction, it will be not occurring the symmetrical. It is a asymmetry. Asymmetry. Next we have to see the bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. See, bilateral symmetry. We have to see the human being is a bilateral symmetry. We have to draw here structure. Okay. In bilateral symmetry, if you cut this, if you cut this animal, this butterfly, what will happen? it will be divided into two equal halves. Divided into two equal halves. We are calling the bilateral symmetry. Next we have to see the radial symmetry. Next one is a radial symmetry. See here, radial symmetry. We have to see the cut any direction. Cut the any direction. See arching. Example is a see arching. See arching. If you here like Syria is there. This way. See if you cut the this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction. If you cut, it will be equal halves. See equally dividing. That's why we are calling the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. Criteria for classification. Okay. Body symmetry. So it is a pentameric symmetry. Example is a starfish. If you cut the this line, this line, this line, it will be equally two halves. Asymmetry. See, if you cutting this line, is there symmetry? If you cutting this line, is there symmetry? No symmetry is present in. It is a asymmetry is there. Bilateral symmetry means if you cut, it will be two halves. Two equally dividing two body parts. Next, radial symmetry means we have to cut this line. Any see arching. See this line about the body symmetry. Next, we have to see the body support also is there. Last point is a body support. Okay. Without body support, we can't do any work. See, it is a required the body support. We will write here. See, body support again dividing into the two parts. See, body has a two skeletal system support. See, what will happen without bone? We are like a amoeba like. Bone is a helping to the movement. See, moving one place to another place. Without bone, we can't do any. See, bones is a giving to the specific structure to our body. See, specific structure is a giving. See, it is a nose for also is a bones is there. Ears, hands. The bones is there. We can walk, we can run. See, we can hold the marker with the help of skeletal system. Means it is a bones in our body. See, for example, it is also dividing into the two types. What are say? One is a exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Another one is a endoskeleton. What is exoskeleton? Exoskeleton means outside our body. See what there? Example, nails. Nails is there outside our body. Nails also it is a outside our body. See, it is a hairs. Hairs is there. See, we have to see the number of organisms for is a hairs. Next, hoops, horns. Hoops means is there ना buffalo, cow. It is a पाँव रहते हैं ना, उसके नीचे जो हार्ड एयर रहता है तो उसको hoops बोलते हैं. सिटी we are calling the hoops. उसके पाँव नीचे के जो रहते हैं उसको hoops बोलना है. Next, horns. See, we have to see the horns also very important. It is helping to the protection from enemy. See, we have to see the in the National Geography channel. See, horns is a helping to the fighting the their enemies. See, buffalo, wild buffalo is a fighting against the tiger. Cheetah, it is helping against the tiger and cheetah because it is a help to them. Feathers, in birds, feathers also helping to them. Next, endoskeleton. What said? Inside the body. See, endoskeleton is a inside the body. See, bones, this like is there na inside the body. See, this like exoskeleton, endoskeleton. It is a very important for you.